Hello, this is Coach Jim Kaspari from Peak Business Coaching. I'm guessing you're here because you want to know how to pay off your debt fast. I will absolutely tell you exactly how to pay off debt as fast as humanly and mathematically possible by the end of this video. Much more important questions are, should I pay off my credit card debt or other debts faster? What else can I do with my money? Which debts should I pay off fast and which ones should I pay off the minimum? Debt is a four-letter word for many of us. I know my parents were the product of the Great Depression era, and paying off debt was the most important thing you could do. What a dream to have your house paid off. Phew, I paid off my debt. Old paradigms die hard. We get advice from very well-intentioned people, meaning well, but giving advice that hurts us rather than helps us in the long run. Today you will have a new perspective on debt. Yes, there is bad debt and there is good debt. Just like anything in life, using credit cards to pay for clothes, shoes, or toys that we can't afford or pay off quickly is an example of bad debt and is endemic in the U.S. economy. Our egos, keeping up with the Joneses, and instant gratification desires fuel this behavior. We should treat ourselves to the finer things in life that we enjoy, but earning them first gives a greater long-term satisfaction. What? You're asking yourself, there really is such a thing as good debt? Yes, there is good debt. At the time of writing this video script, 2017, home mortgage rates are averaging around 4%. Inflation is traditionally around 3%. If you invest in a home or refinance at this rate, you're basically getting hundreds of thousands of use and leverage of the bank's money for free. Now that's good debt, especially when you consider possible property appreciation, tax benefits from interest expense, tax benefits from depreciation, and principal paydown. You may not believe this, but there is even great debt. Another example of great business debt is business marketing. I explain this in my article on peakbusinesscoaching.com, the best possible investment in the world. That through tried, tested, and targeted marketing tactics, you should get 200 to 2,000% return on your investment. Imagine paying for a newspaper article where you paid $200 a month. Wouldn't you want at least $1,000 worth of business from that article? You can also see how investing your leverage business creates unlimited growth in this article. Remember to focus on growth and the positive, not cutting expenses or paying off debt. Your net income and net worth will both grow faster this way. You're about to see the system that works every time. There is no faster way to pay off your credit card debt. Set up the system, follow it, and forget your compulsion to vary from the formula. This system will pay off your debt as fast as is mathematically possible and give you total peace of mind. The first step is to gather all your most current credit card or debt statements. So remember to list the creditor name, the total amount owed, the minimum payment, and the percent interest. The next step is to order your list from the highest interest to the lowest. Step 3 is to determine an additional monthly dollar amount that you want to pay. We call this the bonus debt paydown. So this would be in addition to the minimum payment. Here's how it works. For the creditor with the highest interest, the one on top of your list, pay the minimum payment plus the bonus amount. All the rest of your credits or debts, pay only the minimum. Once the first debt on the list is paid off, then pay the number 2 debt minimum payment plus your bonus debt paydown plus the former minimum payment from the first debt. So let's give it an example. Let's say your bonus paydown was $200 and your minimum payment on the number 1 card was $300. So you would have been paying $500 towards the number 1 card on the list. Now you take the second one on the list, pay that minimum payment plus the $500. Now you can see how this is going to truly accelerate your debt paydown exponentially. Now simply continue this process until all your debts are paid off, and be sure to celebrate. Now here's a key. If you have monthly expenses on any of the cards, pay them off monthly. Do not spend more than you have. Don't let your debts pile up again. Now here's a visual example of what we've been talking about. In this example, you would pay the target, the highest interest, $200 plus a minimum of $80 for a total of $280. Then pay the minimum payments on the Visa and Chase until the target is paid off completely. Note, the total owed doesn't matter in the order of payoff. This is a psychological trick on our minds, but trust the math and this system. Once target is paid off, then you would pay Visa's minimum payment of $450 plus the old target minimum of $80 plus the extra $200 bonus debt paydown for this accelerated debt paydown for a total of $730 and pay the minimum for Chase. Note again, this payment sounds like a lot, but you're not paying any more per month towards your debt, yet paying it off more rapidly now. Congratulations.